Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography, drones, tech and whatever interests me, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. We went from the largest laser engraver this office has ever seen to probably the smallest laser engraver on the market at the moment with this kind of shape. We're talking about the ACMER S1. Let's roll the intro and let's talk about it. Let's start by saying that this laser engraver is really cute. And when I say cute, I don't mean it's a toy. I say cute because I love the way it was packed. Unboxing was one of the best experience for this laser engraver because the laser engraver comes the way you see it. No assembly to be done. I just had to tie a little bit the screws down here, the lead screws and the eccentrics, because it was a bit wobbly, probably because of the trip. But the unboxing was just take that out of the box, power adapter, USB-C to USB-C. So we're talking about a new product and I loved USB to USB-C. That was really fast. My Mac found it straight away on Lightburn and I had name, surname and all the characteristics of this laser engraver right on Lightburn without adding anything or touching anything. And that's something I love on a laser engraver. Every time we have to tweak and do stuff and to make it work. But not with this one. It's a pretty easy laser engraver, not many function, on and off button. You have the power and the USB-C, as I said. 2.5 laser power, it's not much, but I will get into this later on in the video. This is great for a beginner who wants to get close to this world of laser engraving. I started big and my learning curve was pretty steep. I would really suggest to start with something less powerful than what you find on the market, just to understand how laser engraving works. What I loved, together with the unboxing, is the fact that the price point of this is around the 100 euros. A bit less, a bit more, it depends on the moment you buy. All the links to buy it will be down in the description. ACMER is doing a really great effort to promote their product. You will probably see new videos of ACMER. They just sent it for reviewing purpose. I'm not getting paid for them. I'm not getting paid to say it's great. I'm gonna say what I like and what I don't like. But so far it's a cute little desktop laser or portable laser. I liked it. Let's get into the specs of this laser. As I said, it's 2.5 and it's 130 by 130 centimeters, so not a big area, but enough for personalization and whatever you have in the house that you want to engrave, stuff that you need to put your name on or create visit cards, even engrave a picture on wood. It's great. And let me get into this. What I loved about this laser engraver was the definition and the high quality on a picture. This is a picture of my twins. As you can see, details are amazing. Okay, it took a long time. Let's say it took about 2 hours to do this because you need to keep it low at a medium power, low speed at a medium power. But the result surprised me. This was actually one of the first tests I did. I didn't know how much power to put in and what speed, but I got it right on. Probably I could have done it faster, but nevertheless, it's great. I tested the image I always test about the scarecrow from The Wizard of Oz, and of course my logo. And it came out really nice. There's no carving, of course. I mean, it's just superficial, but the detail that a small, precise laser like this can accomplish is really impressive, I mean, I would say. I tested wood, I tried to cut wood, and here we get in the things that I don't like. I didn't manage to cut wood, any kind of wood that was in the package. I also loved that they put spare cardboard and a piece of wood to test it, but I didn't manage to cut wood. I saw a review online, this is a 2.5 watts. I saw a review online that the 3.5 watts makes it through the 1.5 millimeters wood, but I didn't have 1.5 millimeters wood and my laser is a 2.5. But nonetheless, I mean, as I said at the beginning, this is not for cutting purpose. This is for personalization and for somebody who's a beginner and wants to start understanding the world. Second test I've done was on an aluminum ID cards. I bought a little bit of these. One was also in the box. So ACMER, thanks for taking care of us with all the tools and little bits and spares that you put around for us. This was an engrave that I did on this aluminum foil, and again, the details of the picture, it looks negative, but I can assure you it's not. I mean, the contrast probably was too high, but it was my mistake. After you give a clean to it with a bit of alcohol and a paper cloth, all the impurity come off and like the image really shines. So this is great if you want to personalize ID cards, put a QR code on, like to hand over to people. So really well done, and I mean, it does its job. Don't forget that this is always like around the 100 euros. So we're not talking about something that's like crazy expensive. We're talking about the money you spend when you bring a girl out for dinner, probably even less than that. After this, I would like to show you how it performed on leather. I have a special thing with leather, and this is how it came out, and I love it. I mean, there's no carving as there is on a more powerful laser engravers, but I don't care. I mean, the important thing is that the engraving is visible, noticeable, and precise. And this laser, something that I love is that it's precise. It's slow, which I don't like, but it's precise. Again, if you're considering buying a small laser engraver, something to start as a beginner, and you're afraid of spending so much money, I understand you. I mean, I started with a very powerful laser. My journey and my learning curve was very steep. I almost set up a fire more than once in this office before it was renewed, of course. But anyway, for a beginner, this is a really great bargain. All the links will be down in the description for your reference. I'll put the links also for the 3.5 watts. And what to say? I mean, it's a complete starter laser engraver. Comes with glasses, tons of accessories, which is what I love. The only thing that I didn't like is that probably the 3.5 watts will be better if you want to start cutting small pieces of wood and play around more. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you did like the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.